Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually crossplay between Xbox and PlayStation Network. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox experience on your Xbox or your PlayStation. Now it looks like the PC version, so all the options are there as well. Now what you want to do, you want to go into more, and here are the settings. Now you're probably looking for the crossplay option. Now as of today there is no method on turning on crossplay, but I have a workaround. What you need to do, which is possible as of today, is go home. So back to the home screen, and from out there you need to make sure that you and your friend are friends on Roblox, so that you can invite each other. Because let's say you want to play the Please Donate experience. Here is a little icon right beside the play button, as you can see right here, to invite friends. And here you can actually invite them if you are both friends, and from there you can crossplay with each other. Now it is easy as that. And if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.